Have you been wondering if property investing is a bit risky at the moment? Let's talk about it. Look, with all the headlines about interest rates, housing affordability issues, economic turmoil, all those geopolitical problems, the global uncertainty, it's no wonder some people are asking, hey, isn't property investing risky right now? The truth is, yes, there are risks. The biggest risk isn't the market, it's buying the wrong property in the wrong location with the wrong strategy, or probably no investment strategy at all. The property you eventually buy should be the physical manifestation of a whole lot of decisions you make in the correct order. And you need to follow a time-tested, proven investment strategy that'll see you through the ups and downs of the property cycle. Because currently I'm seeing a lot of inexperienced buyers agents. They're recommending what I would call B grade or even C grade properties in areas with poor long-term economic drivers, oversupply, and areas that are likely to stagnate or even lose value as we move into this new phase of the property cycle. You know, I believe property investment's a game of finance with some houses thrown in the middle. In my mind, it's important to have a finance strategy that gives you a financial buffer to see you through the ups and downs. Now, you can reduce the risk by gaining knowledge, getting professional advice, and building a strategic plan to see you through the ups and downs of the cycle. But be careful who you listen to and whose advice you take. There are many inexperienced so-called advisors out there on social media. At Metropole, we leverage my decades of experience and perspective, as well as significant volumes of data on the ground in-house team to give insights to our clients, to keep them informed, to help them make strategic decisions and help them avoid pitfalls like chasing hotspots or over-leveraging. Another way of minimizing risk is to own quality assets, the type that have outperformed over the long term, rather than short-term hotspots. And it's also important, as I said, to have a plan that'll be a GPS to guide you from where you are now to where you ultimately want to be, no matter what obstacles arise. So if you want to invest with confidence, even in uncertain times, why not have a chat with the wealth strategist at Metropole? Go to metropole.com. I'll leave a link in the comment. And if you want to actually get more tips, why not subscribe to the Michael Yardney podcast on your favourite podcast app?